In this video, we will be discussing and comparing kilocode versus Rucode versus Cline and see which one of these coding agents for VS Code is designed for heavy autonomous development using their API keys. So let's first start with kilocode. So kilocode focuses on being a superset, aiming to provide all features of both with added self-aware orchestration and advanced memory banking. So let's proceed next to root code. So root code offers superior customization such as per model selection, custom prompting, and architect mode for planning. So this is actually a good option. Now let's head over to Cline. Cline offers a cleaner UI and simpler interface suitable for beginners. So if you want simplicity and stability, choose Cline. If you want advanced customization and modes, choose TrueCode. Or if you want to have all of the features in one, choose Kilo. That's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.